Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, and today I want to share a Fendi first small black bag. Yes, the color is black, and now let me show you the whole bag. The whole bag like this. You can see the shape. It's interesting. The strap is adjustable by the buckle. You can see the buckle. Yeah. And now let me show you the detail. The strap is real leather, and this is the hardware. Okay, here is the Fendi logo. Yeah. And here, okay. Okay, and the bag. The leather is very soft. Yeah, it's very soft. It's a sheep leather. Yeah, sheep leather. Now let me open the bag. Okay, the bag like this. Okay, let me open it. Now let's check. Let me show you the inside of the bag. You can see. Yeah, it's like this. Here is a Fendi logo. The logo numbers here, you can see, and also there is a label. Yeah, you can see here is a label too. Yeah, the bag, it's the inside of bag, it's like this. Okay. Okay, this is the box. The box. Okay. We open it here. Okay. There's a duster bag and some cards in the envelope. You can see, and some papers. Okay. This bag, I think it's very beautiful. It's very good. If you are interested in the bag, you can contact me. Thank you. See you.